Hello, everybody. It's Lauren here. Um, how's it going? I just want to drop by and say a little hello. Um, Hope you guys are doing well during this quarantine. Um, I don't really have a lot to say. I just wanted to say hello. Hello.
Okay, you said hello. Now let me do my job. All right.
Passing it over to Mrs. Klanica.
Here I am. Hello, everybody. Okay, we'll see you later, Lauren. Hi. Hello, friends. See, even Lauren missed you too, just like I do, and she wanted to say hi. And I'm saying hi for another day of some fun lessons together. I hope you're having a great day. Today, we are going to do our ABC chart. We'll do our Haggerty, and today we're going to write some sentences. We'll bring our board over and we will write some sentences with sight words and make sure we follow all of the rules for writing sentences, like an uppercase letter at the beginning, making sure we leave a space in between each word, and making sure we end our sentence the correct way. So we'll do that together. Make sure you have something to write with close by so that when we get to that time, we are all set to go. Okay, let's do our ABC chart together. Make sure you've got your eye glue ready. Make sure you've got your muscle mouth ready. Make sure you've got your hands ready for those hand motions for the vowels. Okay, here we go. Ready? Apple. B, bear. C, cat. D, duck. E, edge. F, fish. G, goat. H, hammer. I, itch. J, jump. K, key. L, lion. M, monkey. N, nest. O, octopus. P, popcorn. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, soap. T, toothbrush. U, up. V, violin. W, wave. X, mix. Y, yes. Z, zipper. Wonderful job, friends. Let's look at lowercase letters today. Will do letter is sound is looking at our lowercase letters with our eye glue, using our muscle mouth, and loud and proud doing our hand motions for the vowels. Ready? Here we go. Letter is F. Sound is F. Letter is B. Sound is B. Letter is W. Sound is W. Letter is N. Sound is N. Letter is M. Sound is M. Letter is D. Sound is D. Letter is O. Sound is R. Letter is G. Sound is G. Letter is C. Sound is K. Letter is Y. Sound is Y. Letter is R. Sound is R. Letter is V. Sound is V. Letter is I. Sound is I. Letter is S. Sound is S. Letter is E. Sound is E. We made a lot of E's on our word ladder yesterday. Letter is L. Sound is L. Letter is A. Sound is A. Letter is K. Sound is K. Letter is U. Sound is Letter is Z. Sound is Z. Letter is Q. Sound is Qu. Letter is J. Sound is J. Letter is H. Sound is H. Letter is P. Sound is P. Letter is T. Sound is T. Letter is X. Sound is X. Good job. And remember, our picture is mix because that X sound never comes at the beginning of the word. We hear it mostly at the end of words. So that's why we see that picture of mix. Great job. Today, along with our S blends, remember, letter S with another consonant, blend them together to make a sound. Today, we're going to listen for some of those silly nonsense word rhymes. They're the rhymes that are, or words that are not real words. And then you're going to tell me what rhymes with that nonsense word. These are things that are on your head or can go on your head that rhyme with my silly word. Are you ready? They're all going to start with S blends. What's on your head that rhymes with smare? It's your hair. And you can see Mrs. Klanica's hair is getting longer and longer every single day. Still didn't get a haircut. How about you? Got your hair cut? Oh, some of us do, some of us don't. We just gotta wait. What's on your head that rhymes with skiers? It's your ears. You got two of them, one here and one here. Good job. What's on your head that rhymes with spips? It's your lips. Yeah, your lips are actually on your face and not on your head, right? What's on your head that rhymes with spin? It's your chin. Actually, it's supposed to be a nonsense word. Snin. Snin also rhymes with chin. A real word would be spin. Yeah. What's on your head that rhymes with spy lashes? Ooh, it's your eyelashes. Yeah. Good job. Okay. What's on your head that rhymes with sky brows? Those are your eyebrows. That's these right here. Can you touch your eyebrows? You got two of them. Yeah, nice. What's on your head that rhymes with spose? It's your nose. You got it. What's on your head that rhymes with slies? That's your eyes. Good job. What's on your head that rhymes with swouth? It's your mouth. Good job. And what's on your head that rhymes with steeks? Your cheeks. Yes. And when you smile, your cheeks puff up. So let me see a big smile so I can see those puffy cheeks. I love it. Good job. Okay. Listen for those S blends. We'll do them at the beginning with our hands. Ready? Here we go. Say slow, slow. Now, one time. Ready? Slow, slow, slow. Good. Say sweep, sweep, sweep. Say snail, snail, snail. Say steam, steam, steam. Ooh, this is a good one. Spider, spider, spider. This week on your May calendar of activities, there's a story about a Nancy the spider. You might want to listen to it on a website called Epic. How about this one? Steak, steak, steak. Speak, speak, speak. Slide, slide, slide. Smile, smile, smile. Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. We've talked about how to sneeze without getting your germs on anybody else. We always sneeze into our elbow, and we always cough into our elbow as well. That keeps everybody healthy and safe. Okay, we're going to chop the sounds. I'm going to do the chopping. You tell me what word you hear. Ready? S-l-a. Sleigh. Good job. How about sleek? Sleek. Nice. How about this one? Scale. Scale. A scale is what you step on to see how much you weigh, how heavy you are. How about this one? Sway. Sway. Nice. And here's our last one. Stay. Stay. Good job. Stay right where you are, because we're going to do the next part. Now we're going to listen for the S blend, and it might be at the beginning of our word. It might be in the middle of our word. It might be at the end of our word. You tell me what S blend you hear somewhere in our word. Ready? List. Good job. Dust. Again, at the end of that word too. How about this one? Spaghetti. It starts with that S blend. What about ask? Good job. Wrist. That's at the end of this word. This is your wrist, and this is your wrist. Good job. How about storm? Storm. Has that st at the beginning. This is a giant bee. Wasp. We heard it at the end. Good. How about mask? Nice job. And here's one more. Test. Has that sound at the end. Good job. All right. Now make your choppers. We'll say the word and we'll chop the sounds together. Ready? Say sneeze. 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 Great. Smile. 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 Great. How about slide? Slide. Slide. Speak. 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 Great job. How about steak? Steak. Steak. Wonderful. How about snail? Snail. Snail. Fantastic. Let's do one more. Slow. 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 Only 3 sounds for that one. That was a shorter one. Great. All right, we'll change the S blend at the beginning. Get your hands ready with me. Here we go. Say slope. Slope. Change sl to sk. Scope. Say snow. Snow. Change sn to sl. Slow. Say sweep. Sweep. Change sw to st. Steep. If a mountain is very steep, that means it's very high. Say speak. Speak. Change sp to sn. Sneak. And here's our last one. Say slice. Slice. Change sl to sp. Spice. Good job. Okay. We will build some words by adding a S blend onto the beginning and clapping it together. Ready? Say eep. Eep. Add sw. Sw. Sweep. Say eek. Eek. Add sp. Sp. Speak. Say ice. Ice. Add sl. Sl. Slice. Say o. O. Add add slow. Say ape, add sk, scape. Wonderful. All right, we will take away the S blend this time. Ready? Let's put our hands flat. Say swipe, take away sw. We're left with ipe. Say spy, take away sp. We're left with I. Say stone, take away st. We're left with own. Say sway, take away sw. We're left with a. Say spine, take away sp. We're left with ein. Perfect. Okay, you ready to hear about more of that old woman who lived in a shoe? We're going to learn the next lines today and see what goes on in her shoe. Ready? Repeat after me. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. There was an old woman. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. Who lived in a shoe. She had so many children. She had so many children. She didn't know what to do. She didn't know what to do. Can you imagine all those children living in a shoe? I can't imagine. Yeah, I think that's a little crazy of a nursery rhyme, don't you? I think it is. All right, let's get on to making some sentences. And we've got our sight words. I hope you can see them. There's not too much of a glare. And they're not covered up too much. Let me see if I can get that glare away from there. Good job. There we go. Okay. So here's the sight words that we already know, and we're going to use them to write our sentences right here. Let's read them together. Ready? He, see, on, do, is, the, we. It's always great for us to know our sight words super fast. And if we need to look up to see how to write them, we can. That will help us when we are writing our sentences. And if we come to a word that is not a sight word, how are we going to figure out what we need to make the sounds? We can sound it out, right? We can finger stretch the word and write down the sounds that we hear. That's very helpful for us. So we're going to make sure that when we start our sentence, that's an important place to be. So what kind of letter do we need? Uppercase, right? In between each word, we need a space. So we've got our spaceman. Spaceman is losing some of his stickiness. I'm going to have to change his tape. And then when we get to the end of our sentence, we'll have to end it the correct way. Sometimes if it just tells us something, it gets a period. Sometimes if we're excited in our sentence, we get a exclamation mark. And sometimes when we're asking a question, we're going to end it with a question mark, right? So let's see what our first sentence is going to say. It says, we do not see the ship. Let's say that sentence and we'll count our words. I think you need 2 hands. And let's see what we need. Ready? We do not see the ship. How many words do we need? 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in between each word, we will leave a space. Now remember, since you don't have spaceman, you can put your finger after the word to help you remember that you're going to need to leave a space there. Okay, get ready to write. So make sure you have your pencil or your marker, your paper or your whiteboard. Okay, all right. Remember our sentence says, we do not see the ship. What was our first word? We. Good job. Is we a sight word that we already know? It is. Yes. The only thing we have to change is we need to make W. What kind of W? Uppercase, because it's the first word in our sentence. So let's make a nice tall uppercase W. Make it on your paper or your board. Great. And we can make that whole word we. Fantastic. I'm going to put spaceman down. You put your finger after the word we. Now remember our sentence said, we do not see the ship. We, what's next? Do. Is do a sight word that we already know? It certainly is, and here it is. It's right here. 2 little letters. So after you leave your space, let's write D-O for do. Awesome. Okay, so now we know the word do is done. Let's move spaceman. You move your finger to after the word do. Let's read what we have and see what comes next. Ready? We do not. Is not one of our sight words? No, it isn't. So not, we're going to have to sound out by finger stretching. Stretch that word with me. Ready? Not, n, aw, t. What's going to make that first sound n? Yep, it's the letter N. N. What are we going to need next? Finger stretch with me. Not, n, aw. Yep, here he is. It's that octopus letter. It's a letter O. Yep. Okay. We need one more letter to finish it. Let's see what we need. Ready? Not, n, aw, t. What's going to make that t, t sound? Oh, it's that cool letter T. Nice job. And don't forget, your T needs to be taller than the rest of the letters. Fantastic. I'm going to move spaceman after the word not because I know not is finished now. Put your finger there, and I'm going to have to move to the next line because I'm out of space here. But let's read and see what we have so far. Ready? We do not see. We need for the next word. Is see a sight word we know? Stop me when you see it. Oh, there it is. Yep. It's got double E's in this word. So let's write S-E-E. Wonderful. Good job. That word see is done. So I'll put spaceman. You put your finger there. Okay. All right, let's read what we have. We're almost done with this one. Let's read it. We do not see the, I was sticking my tongue out at you. Were you sticking your tongue out at me? The, you are super fast at writing the word the, aren't you? On your mark, get set, go. Super fantastic. Awesome. Okay. I know we've got so many the experts out there. I'm proud of every single one. I'm going to move spaceman. You put your finger after the word the. Now let's see what we have. I think we only need one more word. Let's see what it is. Ready? We do not see the ship. Is ship a word that's a sight word, or is that a word we need to sound out? We need to sound it out. And I have a feeling we're going to need a digraph in this word. 2 letters that work together to make a new sound. Let's see what we need for ship. Ready? Ship. Sh. E. What do we need first? Shh. Do you remember what that digraph is? It's the quiet sound, S-H, you got it. Let's make S-H. Shh. Wonderful. Let's see what we need for our middle sound. Ready? Ship. Shh. What's going to make that itchy sound? That is itchy eye. Absolutely. Now we just need an ending. We can do it. Let's do the word ship. Ready? Ship. Sh. It's going to make that ending. Letter P. Just like that. When I need him, he's around my shoulder, right over my shoulder, isn't he? Letter P. Yep. Great job. So now we've got the word ship. I think that was our last word. Let's read it and see if we can end this sentence. See if it makes sense with me. Let's read it. Ready? We do not see the ship. Sounds good to me. If that's all of our words, well, let's count them first and make sure that's all of our words. We were supposed to have 6, right? So let's put a dot under each word and count as we put a dot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do have all 6 words. So how are we going to end this? It's just telling us something. We do not see the ship. Yeah, we're going to end it with a period. We're not excited about it. It's not asking us a question. It's just telling us something. Awesome. Touch the dots and we'll read our whole sentence together. Ready? We do not see the ship. Fantastic. I'm going to erase mine. Now, if you want to go to the back of your paper or you want to get a new piece of paper, you can. If you're using a board, go ahead and erase it. We're going to write one more sentence for today. Are you ready? Okay. So our next sentence says, is he on the path? Like a walking path. Let's count how many words we're going to need in that sentence. Ready? Is he on the path? Only one hand. How many words do we need? 5 words. That's right. And in between each word, we will leave a space. Good job. Okay, so what's our first word? Listen again to the sentence. Is he on the path? What's our first word? Is. Yep, and that's one of our sight words. You're absolutely right. Now it's the beginning of the sentence. I see is starts with an I, so what kind of I are we going to make that? Uppercase. So let's start the sentence, the word is, with an uppercase I. Got it? Wonderful. I'll put my spaceman to hold my space. Your finger can hold your space. Okay, let's see what comes next. Ready? We said, is he on the path? So what's going to come next? Is he. Another sight word. Oh boy, we're lucking out with these, that we know so many of the words in these sentences. He, H-E. Got it? Good job. Okay, I'm going to move spaceman. Move your finger. Okay, let's see what's going to come next. Ready? We said, is he on? Are you kidding? Another sight word? How easy is that? The word on, it's right here. So far, we've had all sight words. Let's write it, O-N. Oh my gosh, we are lucking out with this one. Let's move spaceman over. He's hoping that we get another sight word next because we are all sight word experts. Now I'm going to have to move down here. You go to wherever the next space is on your paper or on your board, okay? Read it with me. Is he on You knew from my tongue sticking out at you, didn't you? You know how to write the. Super easy. Go for it. T-H-E. You know that one.
Wait a second.
Mm-hmm.
You have.
Okay. We're going to go to our next word. So I'm going to leave a space with my spaceman.
Whoa.
You leave a space with your finger. I think this is our last word in this sentence. Let's read what we have. Ready? Is he on the path? Was our last word. Path. Now, path is not a sight word. Our luck ran out, right? We're going to have to finger stretch path so that we can see what we need. And I believe we're going to need another digraph. Okay, let's listen. Finger stretch. Ready? Path. What's that first sound? P. Yep, it's that letter P. P. Got it? There's going to be a vowel in the middle. Let's hear what it is. Ready? Path. P. What's going to make that sound? That's our apple sound. It's that short A. You're right. Make your short A. Wonderful. And here's where the digraph is going to come. Let's listen carefully. Let's finger stretch path. Ready? Path. Are you sticking your tongue out at me again? That's okay, because what letters do we need? We need T-H. That is absolutely fine with me when you stick your tongue out at me to make the sound. Nice. I think that was our last word. Do you have it? All right, I'm going to take away Spaceman. We're going to have to read it and make sure we've got all of our words. Read with me. Ready? Is he on the path? That looks good. Let's count and make sure we've got all 5 of our words. Put your dots under. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have all 5 words. We're ready to end it. Now listen to what it says. It says, is he on the path? That's something I can answer. Like I could say, yes, he's on the path. Or I can say, he is not on the path. No, he is not. So if it's asking us something, what are we going to put at the end? It's asking us a question. So we're going to put a curve and a straight line and a dot to make a question mark at the end of this question. Wonderful. Put your finger on each dot. Let's read that whole question together. Ready? Is he on the path? Maybe you have a path close to your house, or maybe in a park that you like to go to, and it would be a nice day one day this week for you to go walk on the path, especially when it's the day on the calendar, on the May calendar, to do a bug hunt. If you walk around on a path outside, I bet you will find lots and lots of bugs. Friends, I had a great time today. I hope you had a great time too. And I hope you join me tomorrow. We'll do some more fun things. I've got a story for you tomorrow with one of our favorite curious monkeys. You know who it is. We're going to read about him tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Miss you guys and have a great day. Okay? Bye.